Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
Good morning, campers. Bonjour, participants. How are you today? Comment nous allons? Let's start with the camp prayer. Allons commencer avec la prière.
Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for the bird that sing. We give thanks for everything. Amen.
Thank you, Jenny Love. Merci, Jenny Love. Now, Blake will do the prayer too. Konya Blake pour prier too. Let's say it with her. Allons dire avec lui.
Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for the birds that sing. We give thanks for everything. Amen.
How many boys are here today? Combien de garçons qu'il y a aujourd'hui? Let's count in English. Allons compter en anglais. How many girls are here today? Let's count in English. Combien de filles qu'il y a aujourd'hui? Allons compter en anglais. Yesterday, we learned about colors and numbers. Hier, nous te apprenons sur couleur ak numéro. Today, we will learn about actions and prepositions. Jeudi, nous apprendre sur action ak preposition.
In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray. This is gonna be a wonderful day.
In the morning, na matin, I clap my hands. Mwen bat men mwen. In the morning, na matin, I do a dance. Mwen fè yon ti danse. In the morning, na matin, I shout hooray. Mwen rele hooray. This is going to be a wonderful day. Ça pourrait ser yon bon journée.
Welcome, everybody. Let's all stand in a circle. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you today? Get ready to clap your hands. Hello, everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hello, everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands today. Now let's stomp our feet. Hello, everyone. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Hello, everyone. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet today. Now, should we touch our nose? Let's do it. Hello, everyone. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Hello, everyone. Touch your nose. Touch your nose today. Welcome, everybody. Let's have some fun. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you today?
Stand in a circle means campagnons one. Clap your hands. You learned that. Uteapansa. What does that mean? Clap your hands means bat mil. Stomp your feet means
Pile.
touch your nose. Touch your nose means toucher no. Good job.
Walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop.
Walk means marcher. Walk vle di marcher. Jump means sauter. Jump vle di sauter. Run means courir. Run vle di courir. Stop means camper. Stop vle di camper. Hop means pomper. Hop vle di pomper. Swim means nager. Swim vle di nager. Dance means danser. Dance vle di danser.
Prepositions of place.
On, in, under, next to, on, in, under, next to.
The cat is on the box.
On, in, under, next to, on, in, under, next to.
On means sous. On vle di sous. Sit on the chair. Shita sous chesla. In vle di na ou bien en dedans. It's in the box. Li na boîte la. Ou soit li landan boîte la. Under means en bas. Under vle di en bas. The pencil is under the paper. Crayon en bas papier. Next to means à côté. Next to vle di bo côté. I am next to you. Moi à côté ou même. Now listen to this song. Kunya tande chante sa. Let me give you a clue. Bambao yon tilide. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ki sa vle di? Sa vle di, ki kote liye?
Where's the monkey? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the bird? Where is it? Where is it? On the tree. On the tree. Where's the snake? Where is it? Where is it? Under the rock. under the rock, on, in, and under. Yeah. Where's the apple? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the carrot? Where is it? Where is it? On the chair. On the chair. Where's the pumpkin? Where is it? Where is it? Under the bench. Under the bench. On, in, and under. Great! Where's the book? Where is it? Where is it? On the desk. On the desk. Where's the pencil? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where's the ruler? Where is it? Where is it? Under the chair. Under the chair. On, in, and under. See you next time.
Let's review. À nous est passé. I'll say a word in English. Moi pas dire un mot en anglais. Raise your hand. Levez-moi. If you know it in Creole or Spanish. Si vous connaissez en Creole ou bien espagnol. Ready? Vous pouvez? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Shout. Shout hooray. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. In. In. On. On. Next to. Next to. Under. Under. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. This is going to be a wonderful day. This is going to be a wonderful day. Swim. Swim. Jump. Jump. Dance. Dance. Walk. Walk. Run. Run. Stand in a circle. Stand in a circle. Hop. Stop. Stop. Okay, now let's do some more games and activities with your teacher to continue learning. Everybody stand up. Konya anu fe keklot activity akjwet ak profesenu pour continuer apwan. Everybody stand up. Tout moun campe. Listen to this song, Tande chante sa, and do what they say. Efe sayo di.
I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump our